What am I supposed to do?
Cook the pancake.
Right, yeah.
First things first, turn on the hob. Wrong one. I just used it to cook an omelette, or a pancake even. It'll still be hot. I'm not going for oil, I see. Not how you open it. It's a lot of oil you're going for. James, no! It's enough oil, that's fine, that's how much I used. You can't put oil down the sink. Doing it at quite a low temperature there. It's looking a bit oily. Supposed to do that. I have a feeling you went wrong somewhere. It looks like scrambled egg. What's pushing it down gonna do it?
No, you're too fat.
Is it ready to be turned over?
No.
Look at the concentration.
Wait.
Getting a nice bulk there, I see. Going for the side of the pan approach.
Look how it sticks together like that. Look.
Is it ready to be flipped?
No. Yeah, I'll do it in a minute. What?
Don't try and be funny.
I'll do it in a minute.
Oh, it's ready to be flipped. Watching this. This is gonna be beautiful. Awe-inspiring. It went from one pan to the other one. Don't get overconfident. That's a hot pan. Of course it's easy. You've got half a pancake. I don't think that's doing it much good. Handed in one pan to the other pan. How to Make a Pancake by James Goff.